Hey guys, welcome to another video. If this is your first time checking out this channel, welcome. So today's video, we're going to be talking about winterizing your vehicle. Winter has arrived and everyone is starting to put their cars in storage. So I wanted to just make a quick little video about kind of steps or the things that I do to officially winterize my car and put it away for the Arctic season. So there's about 7 things that I do. First thing I'll do is I'll fill it up or top it off with 93 octane. Make sure that that's all filled up and good to go. The second thing is that I'll change the oil. So I'll go ahead and change the oil right now. I want to make sure that the used oil isn't just kind of in storage throughout the winter time. And also when I start the new car season in the spring, or when I start it up and start driving it, I really don't have to worry about that. Number 3, overinflate your tires. I fill up my air in the tires higher than the manufacturer's recommendation. What this helps with is getting any flat spots in your tires. As there's colder air, it reduces in density, therefore taking out air in your tires, thus creating a flat spot. So to help avoid this, just overinflate the tires. My normal pressure is, I believe, 32, and then I just fill it up 10 pounds extra. Number 4, basically just do a general cleaning, right? So I'll start with the interior, make sure if there's any food or anything that may have been on the carpet or anything like that is cleaned up. Last thing you want is some mold growing in your car. I'll do a basic wipe down of the interior, so the seats, the dash, just kind of, just dust everything and make sure everything is wiped down and fairly clean. Number 5, I will, for obvious reasons, clean the exterior. Make sure the wheels are cleaned, the body's already clean. I just gotta clean the wheels on mine, but make sure that's nice and clean. Number 6, what I usually do every winter is I'll put a 1-pound box of moisture absorbents. The biggest thing that you want to avoid when storing any kind of a car, one is mice, and they're typically attracted to mold sometimes just because they think it's food, but the biggest thing is moisture. Moisture can be a problem if it's built up, over a period of time, but I just put it on the driver's seat or the passenger seat or on the floor. It doesn't matter where you put it, but just as long as there's no moisture that's built up in the car and then throughout the winter time. And then the last thing I'll do is I will put a car cover on there. I have a form-fitting car cover. I forget the brand, but you'll probably see it when I put it on. It's a nice form-fitting car cover and it won't blow around when it's windy out. So I like that a lot. And the very last thing that I do before I completely tuck it away and I'm done with all my steps is I'll plug it into a trickle charger. I have the C-Tech, looks like the 4.3. It has a storage mode, so what this does is that it basically just continues to send pulses so that it doesn't completely drain out the battery. And there you have it, guys. These are basic things to do just to store your car. Hopefully you guys took something of value and you learned something. In the comment section, let me know if I missed something, maybe if I do something differently than you guys. I'm always open up to learning. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Appreciate you guys tuning in. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and like this video if you liked it. It really does help out the video and the channel a lot. Other than that, have a great day, guys. Peace.